Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating story of China's economic rise. It's a tale of bold reforms, massive factories, and a journey from a closed-off nation to the world's largest economy. Let's buckle up and explore how China achieved this incredible feat. Not that long ago, China's economy looked very different. In the 1970s, it was a largely agricultural nation, with limited trade and a focus on self-sufficiency. In the late 1970s, China's leader, Deng Xiaoping, ushered in a new era called reform and opening up. This involved a dramatic shift. China moved away from strict government control and allowed some free market principles. Special areas were created with relaxed regulations to attract foreign investment and technology. China saw its vast workforce and resources as an opportunity to become a manufacturing powerhouse, exporting goods to the world. This wasn't without challenges. Integrating with the global market was complex, and there were social and environmental concerns. But the results were undeniable. Factories boomed. Cities sprang up, and foreign investment poured in. China became the world's factory, producing everything from clothing to electronics at incredibly competitive prices. But China's rise wasn't just about factories. Let's talk about the people behind the miracle. China has a massive population, a huge pool of skilled and eager workers. Additionally, the government invested heavily in education, creating a more skilled workforce. We also can't forget the entrepreneurial spirit that emerged. Millions of Chinese started businesses, fueling innovation and growth. To support this economic engine, China embarked on a massive infrastructure project. They built a vast network of roads, bridges, and high-speed rail, connecting factories to ports and creating a more efficient transportation system. This not only boosted trade, but also spurred domestic consumption, as people could travel and access goods more easily. China's rise has been remarkable, but there are challenges ahead. Environmental concerns. Rapid industrialization has taken a toll on the environment. China is now tackling pollution and sustainability issues. Income inequality. The rapid growth has benefited some more than others. Addressing income inequality is crucial for long-term stability. An aging population. China's population is aging, which could impact its workforce and economic growth potential. These are complex issues, but China has a history of overcoming challenges. So, what's next for China? Shifting focus. China is moving beyond just being a manufacturing hub. They're investing in research, development, and innovation to become a leader in technology and high-value goods. The rise of the consumer. China's growing middle class is a massive consumer market, driving domestic demand and influencing global brands. The global stage. China is increasingly playing a significant role on the global economic stage, with its own currency, the renminbi, gaining international recognition. It's clear that China's economic journey is far from over. Their future choices will impact not only their own prosperity, but also the global economy. We've focused on China's internal development, but their economic influence extends far beyond its borders. China has become a major player in global trade, with a vast network of trading partners, especially through initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative, BRI. This ambitious infrastructure project aims to connect China with other countries in Asia, Europe, and Africa through land and maritime routes. The goal is to boost trade, investment, and cultural exchange. The BRI has its critics who raise concerns about debt burdens and environmental impacts for developing nations. However, it's undeniable that China is shaping the global trade landscape. China's rise has also spurred competition, particularly with the United States. Both countries are vying for economic dominance, with tensions rising in areas like trade and technology. This competition is likely to continue, pushing both nations to innovate and adapt. It will be interesting to see how this rivalry plays out on the global stage. China's economic story is still unfolding. It's a complex journey with both successes and challenges. As China continues to grow, questions remain about sustainability, social equality, and its role in the world order. One thing is for sure, China's economic journey is a fascinating case study that will continue to impact the world for years to come. From a closed-off nation to the world's economic giant, China's rise has been nothing short of phenomenal. It's a story of bold reforms, a massive workforce, and strategic investments. But it's also a story with ongoing challenges and a future full of possibilities. China's economic journey serves as a reminder that change can be swift and dramatic. It raises questions about the future of globalization, the balance of power, and the path to sustainable development. What do you think of China's economic rise? What are the implications for the world? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of economics. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family.